Well, today we have a couple of activities for you to do with your children on the concept of money. Well, money concepts are a little difficult to do with younger kids, but these activities help you expose your children to money and its importance in fun ways. So, let's grab our change jars and begin with the sorting activity. Are you wondering why the sorting activity? Well, to build relationships and get your children familiar with coins. While working up close, they notice details. They analyze, they observe and classify attributes. So let's have a look at the activity. Take 4 different colored sheets and place them. Place a coin on each type of sheet. So we had 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 and 10. Now ask your child to sort the coins. This is a fun way to start identifying the money. What is Subitizing? Subitizing is instantly identifying how much. It is the first phase to learning major math concepts. Children who learn Subitizing possess the ability to visualize and understand numbers. We reinforce the concept while learning and identifying money. Let's have a look. For the next activity, we need a couple of coins and dice. Roll the dice and match it with that number of coins. So for 1, we take 1 rupee coin. Now for 6 on the dice, we don't have 6 rupees coin. So we take 5 and we add 1 rupee. Or children can even take 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 3 2 rupee coins. For 3, we took 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Another activity that we did with coins is addition. Playing games with coins is a fun way to introduce children to the concept of money, its importance, and other math concepts like addition, subtraction, skip counting, and much more. Let's have a look. Write some sums on a blank sheet. We just started with addition. Ask your child to place the coins according to the numbers shown. So 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Next we took 5 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin. That gave us 6. And so on. The last activity that we did is grab and graph. Teaching graph is easier than what you might think. It is the next step after sorting and categorizing. Graphing is simply a more organized way to put things together. Let's have a look. On a blank sheet, draw two graphs as shown in the picture. So we wrote the numbers 1, 2 and 5, which give you 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees and 5 and 10 rupees. For this activity, we need a pouch. Fill in some coins in it. Ask your child to close their eyes, grab a handful of coins and drop them on the table. Then they sort the coins and connect them to the vertical bar graph. We can do this with one player, or we can have two players for this activity. Hello everybody, thank you so much for visiting our channel. We post some fun hands-on activities for you all every week. And so, to not miss out on these activities, simply subscribe.